One of the types of conjunctions was the correlative conjunctions. We now look at the correlatives in detail. So correlatives are also conjunctions. A correlative conjunction is a type of conjunction that function in a pair, with both words working together to balance words, phrases, or clauses. This pair of conjunctions correlates together. For example, no sooner dash than. That will be no sooner had I opened the byre than the bull ran out. To make it easier for us to understand the correlatives, I have grouped them into 6 major groups. In the first group, the conjunctions apply where one action happens immediately after another. No sooner had dash than. Barely had when. Scarcely had when. Hardly had when. No sooner had than. For example, barely had we left when the bus got a puncture. This means that immediately after the bus left, it got a puncture. The second group contains correlatives that show that one action is a hindrance to the second. To for to. So that, such for that. Example: the tea was too hot for me to drink. The hotness of the tea hinders the drinking. The weather was so hot that we removed our sweaters. In the other group, each correlative has a different meaning, though closely connected to the others in the group. Either is for or, one or the other. Neither is for nor, none. Whether is for or, no matter what. For example, you can take either coffee or cocoa. You can take neither coffee nor cocoa. Prefer is for to. This applies to statement. Prefer is for or. This applies to question. Rather is for than. This applies to statement. Rather is to or. This applies to question. For example, I prefer walking to driving. Do you prefer walking or driving? Not until for that. Only when for that. Not only for but also. Example: I was not until 6 o'clock that the curfew started. He's not only hardworking but also very bright in class. That's all we have till now. To learn more, stay in touch with us.